Hey guys, welcome back. A rainy day is a great day to get into the shop and try something new. For about 2 years now, I've been setting aside aluminum can tabs with the distinct purpose of melting them down to make something cool. But the handle on my bathtub faucet broke, so it's not going to be so cool, but it is going to be pretty practical, and I've been saving these things and might as well use them. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, that was fun. All right, we got some good stuff here. Looking at this bar, it casts pretty well in my very sketchy mold, but I really do like how it came out. And we have I set the mold up to be 6 inches long. From all the extra bits of aluminum, it looks like I could have gone to easily 8 inches, 9 inches. But just to play it safe, here we are. Now, looking at it, is looks pretty good. I don't see any internal defects. The artistic drippings here are like otherworldly. I just thought it was really cool, and I guess as long as it's not steel, I wasn't worried about steam shooting back at me. At the end, I pulled off the slag, the impurities off the top, so it would have a nice clean pour. Okay, after a lot of sanding and polishing, I got it down to where it looks pretty darn good. I drilled and countersunk the opening for the bolt that goes into the bathtub. So I'm really happy with how it came out, and you know what? It's free, and if it's free, it's for me, and it was great fun. I hope you guys had fun too. Now let's have that dramatic reveal.